WB coming to you with an Amazon haul. I hope you guys have survived this cold weather. I know I am here in Texas, and of course it was pretty cold. We were snowed in. We did lose electricity for about 30 minutes, but unfortunately we did have a pipe to bust in our restroom. So therefore it flooded the hallway and part of the guest room. But we survived. We did get a plumber out the next day. So I'm just praying for you all and glad that this is over. It was like 70 degrees here today in Texas. So I was just elated. But anywho, enough about that. Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. Subscribe to my channel. Also, so you will know when you hit the notification bell whenever I upload another video. So anywho, let's get right on into it because I can just talk. Anywho, I am doing an Amazon haul, and a couple of my favorite colors are the rose gold and pink. So anywho, let's get started. My first item would be a rose gold calculator. And I purchased this for my office. I have a white one in my office on my desk, but due to coronavirus, I'm working remotely, so my office is just looking cute. Okay, I'm going to put that down. And I will list below the items that I purchased from off of Amazon. The next is a Logic keyboard, and this is to go with my iPad Pro. I hadn't used it yet, so it's still in the wrapper, but I plan on using it real soon. Next would be, this is a humidifier. Believe it or not, you just fill this up with water, and it comes with a cord. I must have taken the cord off or left it in the box. But anywho, so I will be using this at night, and I think this is so cute. And you can also use it in your baby's room. If your baby is stuffy, just put it where they can't reach you. If they're newborn, they won't be able to reach it. But yes, so I purchased this from off of Amazon as well. The next item is an electric lighter to light your candles or whatever. And so I just do that, and I push that and push the button. If you push the blue button, you will see it's a rechargeable lighter. And y'all, this looks like a cheese grater, doesn't it? But really it isn't. It is for the heels of your feet. If you have rough, dry skin on your feet, this is really good. But I admonish you to be careful when using it because these blades are sharp. I saw another YouTuber purchase one, and so I'm like, hey, I'm going to purchase one. And I've used it once, and of course, I injured my foot. Okay, y'all, sorry about that. The next item I have is this is a little carrying case. And this is to carry if you have a MacBook Pro or MacBook Air, to place your plugs inside of it. And of course it's rose gold. Next is a little pedicure, manicure set that I purchased off of Amazon. See, that's the backing of it, and I just have the case on it. And I've not used it yet, but this will go in my travel bag. So whenever I go out of town, whenever the Rona lets up, that I will just keep it with me. But yes, there you go. Cute. The next thing I purchased was a wireless charger. I'm going to go ahead and take this out of here. And of course y'all know what color it is, don't you? Well, if I can get it out, y'all. It is a pink or kind of a rose gold. Let me see. There you go. See around there, see around there. And this is the cord that comes with it, so You can just plug it in and then place your phone on it and it will charge your phone. I haven't used it yet because I have another charger that I have sitting on my nightstand. But this will be used. This is going to replace the one I have sitting on my nightstand. Next, y'all, I purchased this scrubber. And what this is whenever you're washing your hair. You can just do like that. I'm just doing it as an example. Oh, it feels good just like this. Hey, you can scratch your head with it. But anywho, this will be good, a good massager, and it gets your cells and your blood cells to moving around in your head, so which I think will help with hair growth. Okay, the next thing that I purchased is a warmer, and this could be for your tea or your coffee. When you're at work and you get pretty busy and you have some warm tea, and this is just plug it in and place your tea on here and it'll keep your tea warm, because I don't like cold tea. Next will be my Logic mouse, and I purchased this along with the Logic keyboard for my MacBook Pro, as you can see. I think I'm almost down for my Amazon haul. Oh yeah. Here y'all, I gotta show y'all this. I have this box up here, so if y'all see it, this is the stuff that I'm pulling out. And I purchased this. I know y'all are wondering, what in the devil is that? Or what is that? Well, you press this button right here, and then you just let up, and it is a box cutter, a pretty pink box cutter. Keep this away from children if you have small children. So you just press this button and it will, well, I'm trying to press the button, there you go. Press the button and it will close back down. Keep it on this safety. And another thing I purchased for my tripod, I purchased another ball, and let me see if I can get it open, you guys. I purchased another head ball. If I can get this out of here, y'all. I took it out before. I probably should have had it out, but. And this one is pretty heavy duty, so I can use this on my other tripod. Okay. Put that to the side. Next would be my Olay mask. I saw someone use this on YouTube, and their face looked really clear, so I thought that I would get it. It exfoliates and illuminates your face, so I thought that I would buy it, and I'm going to try it tonight. How about that? Okay, now I am getting into, before I go there, let me do this. I'm going to pick this box up, y'all. And I'm going to take it out the box here. Sorry about that noise. Y'all, look what I got. Yes, 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 yes. This will be for my vlogging. And it is a Yeti blue mic. I am so excited about it. I had purchased the round one. And I think it was black, but I gave it to my grandson so he can have it for his, but this is the Yeti X Blackout, and I purchased this from a user with Amazon, and so I'm excited about using this. I can't wait to use it, y'all. Okay, now I don't know, many of y'all know, some of you do know, some of you don't know. If you don't know, go and look at my story about my heart attack. about 8 weeks ago, I had a heart attack. And so with that being said, y'all know I have to lose weight. So I followed this young lady and I purchased her program, and I ordered her bands, ProFitness bands, or the bands that she used, which is ProFitness. I haven't used them yet because I'm taking it kind of slow with the heart attack. I'm doing a lot of cardio, which I'm walking on the treadmill to build my stamina back up. Okay, then the next thing I purchased were the unbreakable resistance bands, or resistance bands. And I have used these prior, but I'll just hold them up right here. So they come in blue, green, yellow, and red. And each of them has a size on there. And they come in a little black bag, but I'm not going to pull that out. Because right now I'm just doing cardio. I will start incorporating next week a little bit of strength training, but I am taking it easy because I am doing cardiac rehab. So I have to make sure that I take it easy when we're working out, and to acknowledge my breathing, to watch my breathing pattern, because since I've had the heart attack, I am short of breath, but they said that that's normal because of the medication that I'm on. And I think, y'all, I have one more. Yes, and my last item from Amazon would be my jump rope. And it also counts your calories, how many calories you burn. I don't have it on right now. I think it needs another battery in it. So that concludes my Amazon haul. Now, I didn't tell y'all about this, but I had ordered some stuff from Bath and Body Works, and from not Bath and Body Works, from Pink and from Victoria's Secret. So I just have some body sprays, Soft and Dreamy by Pink, Pink Snow, Merry Pinkness by Pink. And all of these are the body mist. Then I ordered the Soft and Dreamy body lotion, the Pink body lotion as well, the Pink Snow body lotion, and I ordered me a little thing of pink gold perfume, and it smells very, very good, y'all. Let me see. I can smell it from here. Oh, I wish I could smell it. It's a soft, very, very soft scent. Very soft. It's soft and sweet. And then I ordered from Victoria's Secret some body lotion. But yes, you guys, this concludes my Amazon haul. Thank you guys for coming. I will leave a list below of everything that I've ordered. And y'all enjoy y'all day, y'all evening. Stay positive. This is 2021. Things have got to get better. Things are going to get better. And so I just want to encourage you all to just do your best. And when you do your best, that's all you can do. All right, y'all. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give me thumbs up. Leave a comment below, and I'll respond. And share my video with someone else. But anywho, okay, you guys, I'm getting ready to close it down because my battery probably is running low. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.